But regardless, bro, even if I think even if we're not really famous or we don't have following, we will be talking about the Bible, kung ano yung doctrine ng Bible,
Ah,
and from the title of our podcast, Against the Tide, it's very going against the flow. So what I mean by that is yung opinion kasi ng mananampalataya, lalo na sa generation ngayon or sa panahon na ngayon, it's very parang outdated. So
correct.
that's the good thing na even though we don't have a following, uh, the listeners who would be watching this podcast, I think would be I hope that we would I hope we would encourage them to stand up for the truth. Even we're gonna use this platform to propagate what the Bible says, and also para may maging platform din yung iba na who's not really um, brave or let's say confident in their opinion na kahit alam nila na tama. So we will be using this platform na magkaroon din sila ng voice or magkaroon ng community na the goal would be magkaroon ng community na we would be kumbaga starting the fire and
Filipino
yung
style.
Filipino style.